Hello friends, did you drop your phone into the water accidentally? Then please don't worry. Here is a list of things to do if your phone was exposed to water and some methods that can help you to save it. So let's get started.
Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite Dota.
First of all, take your phone out of the water. Remove your phone from the water or liquid as quickly as possible if you have not done so already. Then don't be urged to see if it is still working. Don't turn it on or don't press any keys. Now what you have to do is remove the battery. If your phone will allow you to, then remove the battery and cut all the power to the device to decrease the chance of a short. Okay. Now remove it from its case. If you keep your phone in a protective case, then dry the outside of the case and then remove it. Try not to rock the phone too much to help prevent water from running into any of the phone ports, plugs, holes, cracks, or spread further throughout the inside of the phone. Take off the removable parts. If your phone has a SIM card or memory card, then take it out and if necessary, set it aside to try as well. SIMs are replaceable if needs be, and most memory cards, that is the best memory cards, they are waterproof. But take them out of the phone and leave the battery cover or back plate off to help with the drying process and allow those parts of your phone to vent. Now dry the phone with a dry towel or cloth. Okay, dry the outsides and any visible areas with a dry cloth or towel. Again, take caution not to let any water into the openings of your device if possible. Now the most important one, don't blow to your phone. Yes, it's a big mistake. I repeat, it's a very big mistake blowing into the phone. I do not recommend air in a can, a blow dryer, or even blowing air through your lips or a straw. You may cause heat damage with a blow dryer or adversely blow water into the phone or blow the water around that is already into the phone and cause more damage to your phone. Now dry the phone. I am recommending here two easy ways to dry your phone. You dry the outside and visible moisture as best as you could with a dry towel, but now we have to dry the moisture that you couldn't get to. So the first method is use rice. Yes friends, one of the most common tools for drying phones is uncooked rice. Okay, I repeat, uncooked rice. Get an airtight container or Ziploc bag and bury your phone in rice. The rice will absorb the moisture and dry out our phone. The second way is silica gel packs. If you have any of these cool packets lying around, then these are great at absorbing moisture because that is what they are made to do. Place some packets into an airtight container with your phone and wait for them to help dry it out completely. Here is a little thing, all packets that have already been used will have already reached their absorption capacity and don't work. So please don't use old packets. Now wait for the moisture in the phone to dry out completely. You must wait at least 24 hours or 48 hours. Yes, one day or 2 days. Okay. Now attempt to power it on. Try and turn your phone on, listening for any irregular noises and listening to make sure that the speakers still work on the unit. Check the screen and make sure that it appears to be working properly visually, and if your phone has a touch screen, make sure to check the touch screen to make sure that it too is responding correctly. Now, if there is no response when attempting to power the phone on, then plug your phone into a charger and see if you can get a response from the charger. This will help you to see if perhaps the battery was damaged or if it's the phone itself. So try all these methods. If still the phone is not working, then you better go to the mobile. So these are all the things that I want to tell you. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos and definitely click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos.